ice cream in a bag. We're gonna be making ice cream in a bag. So this is what you need for the experiment. You're gonna need a half cup of heavy cream, half cup of milk, 1/4 cup of sugar, one
teaspoon.
Yeah, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. That's so hard for me to say. Vanilla extract. And so you're gonna need 2 Ziploc bags. You're gonna need some salt and ice, and we're gonna be using some food coloring for some coloring. So now we're gonna start the experiment. So now I'm gonna do my ice cream first.
Okay.
So can you hold the bag for me?
Yup. Actually, a little bit more. That's good.
So first we're gonna put our heavy cream inside of it. And then we're gonna put our whole milk. Let's do it a little bit, but it's fine. So now we're gonna put our sugar in.
Yep, the sugar is the best part.
And now we're gonna put our vanilla extract. Let me put a little bit inside there. Okay.
What is it blinking? What is that?
I thought that was a cat or something. Now we're gonna put our food coloring inside. Mine is pink because I love pink.
Pretty sure that's a red, but you can call it pink. It looks red to me.
So now it's your turn.
Okay, now it's my turn. So here, hold it actually while I put in my ingredients. Okay, so I'm gonna put in my heavy cream first.
Heavy cream inside the bag.
Okay, heavy cream. Okay, now I'm gonna put in my whole milk.
Whole milk.
And now I'm gonna put in my sugar.
Oh, that sugar is good.
Okay, I'm gonna put in my vanilla extract. Okay, put a little bit inside of this.
Want me to help you because you've never baked before?
I don't think I need that. I'm a professional.
You just put it, you just spilled it.
So, we can clean it up later.
I told you.
We'll clean it up later. Okay, so now I'm gonna put in my food coloring.
It's blue food coloring.
Blue, my favorite color. Okay, that's good.
So now, here's your bag.
I want to close it up. Guys, now we're gonna put our ice and our salt in our second bag. So
Yeah.
guys, we have a thermometer in our ice to see how much degrees it is. So it's 31.8 degrees Fahrenheit, which is close to the freezing point of water, which is 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so now I'm gonna put it in. So can you hold this for me?
I'll take out the
I'll take it out. Okay, let's get this. Okay, this is freezing cold. Open it a little bit more. Okay, that's a lot of ice.
I know, that's a lot of ice.
Okay, now I'm gonna put in the salt.
The salt.
It smells like nothing. Okay,
So now it's my turn.
I'll help you.
Hold the back after you're done zipping it.
Okay, and then
One
one more time. You have to get everything in.
Ice. And now I'm gonna put my salt. So now you're gonna put your liquid stuff inside the bag with ice.
Okay, let's
And make sure it's twisted. This part is twisted, and this has no air inside of this.
This has no air.
Okay, put it inside.
Put it inside.
And now we're gonna seal the bag And then you're gonna shake, 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 Sonora. Shake it all the time. Let's go. Let me seal the bag first. Shake, 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 Sonora. Shake it all the time. Shake, 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 Sonora. Shake it all the time. You have to shake it up to 10 to 15 minutes.
Yup.
This is a great exercise. My hands hurt already. Shake, shake, shake it, Sonora. Shake it all the time. Shake, shake, Sonora. Shake it all the time. Oh, my hands are so freezing cold. I need to get a paper towel.
I can do this all day.
I'm gonna get a paper towel. Put under it. Is yours leaking?
I don't know. Probably the ice. Yeah, it's the ice. I'm pretty sure.
Mine's not
I'm
leaking.
gonna keep shaking.
Wait, I think mine is turning into ice cream. It's almost turning into ice cream.
I still have a lot more minutes to go.
This is a great exercise, guys. My hands are really tired. So now we've been shaking for 15 minutes. And now we're gonna see if our ice cream is done. But first we have to see if our ice, it got colder or it got hotter. See, take it out.
Okay. Let's see.
You know you have to take your ice cream out of your bag, right?
Yeah, let me take it out. Okay, I'm gonna move mine to the side. Okay, now we're gonna see what temperature it is. Is cooler or warmer? Okay, let's see. What is it gonna be? What is it gonna be? Still going, wow.
Wow, still going. But I think it got colder. I don't know. That's just my I don't know.
Yeah, it did get cooler.
It did get cooler. Yeah.
Because remember, guys, before it was a 31.8, but now it's a 29.1.
So I'm watching it and
It keeps going. Wait till it stops first.
yeah, I'm gonna sit down.
Yours is like it's cold. It's cooler than mine.
Yeah, mine is cooler than yours. Oh, guys, it's 26 Fahrenheit.
Yeah, 26.7 degrees Fahrenheit.
Yeah.
And you guys know what made it that cold? Well, guess what it is? You guys might not even thought of it. It's the salt.
It tastes really good. I can't have enough of it.
It's so good. I've never seen a vanilla ice cream before.
It's so good. It's so good.
It tastes really good. You guys have to try this.
My texture is like melty and like it has some ice cream bits.
Maybe if you don't have ice cream and you have the ingredients, you could probably make it for yourself.
Yeah.
It's so good. It tastes like vanilla.
Mine tastes like vanilla too. Because we add vanilla extract. And also, mine tastes melty and it has a little bit of ice cream bits. And mine is really good, guys. If you guys don't have like ice cream at home and you have these ingredients, you can definitely make ice cream.
It's so funny looking at you because you eat sugar way too much. You just like it way too much.
So, thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel. Bye!